Welcome back, my friends, to a new year. It is 2023. I am hoping that this is the year that everyone gets their dream work from home job. So if you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you and share them on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss out. The links to all the jobs I discuss are in the YouTube description box below. And as always, you are welcome to leave anything specific in the comments that you are looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But in 2023, my goal for this channel is to not waste anyone's time. We will be pumping out even more work from home job leads, but we will be keeping them sweet, short, and to the point. Today's job lead is from the well-known Mayo Clinic. Now, I do work in the healthcare field as a hiring manager, and I actually had someone this past year in 2022 leave my team to go work for Mayo Clinic. They are paying very, very well for claims and billing follow-up. So that is what they are hiring for today, a billing and follow-up rep. Now, this is remote work from home. They are looking for someone to make sure that claims are submitted accurate and timely. So you're responsible for any correction of billing errors. You'll be reviewing the claims to make sure there are no billing errors. And when you do find errors, you correct them and you make sure the claim gets submitted from Mayo Clinic to the insurance companies in a timely manner. You'll follow up on any non-adjudicated claims and review claims for contractual underpayment. So once the insurance company processes the claims and you get the payment in, you'll make sure that that is what you were expecting to get paid and they did not underpay you. Now, this position does require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of experience in the medical billing field, either hospital or professional. If you do not have 2 years experience in the medical billing field, you can, if you do have a bachelor degree, they will accept that over the experience, but they do take experience over the degree. Above the experience or degree, they're looking for someone who can read and communicate efficiently in English, someone who has basic computer skills, because you will be working from home online, someone who has good written and verbal communication skills, proper phone etiquette, and can maintain regular attendance. Now, again, they do pay very, very well. Pay for this position is anywhere from $22.99 an hour all the way up to $31.05 an hour. If you found this job lead or anything that I share helpful, please give me a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. If you've made it to the end of this video, I do want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I do have plans for lots more to come. So I will be back very, very soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.